So this night he was trying to fix it. That's why it doesn't work. So this is upset. He's going to fix it. This is ridiculous. Oh my god, this is crazy. It's getting crazy. Oh my god. Something's wrong. It's leaking. It's leaking. Here we go. Just recording. To make it nice and fresh. Oh my god. This is interesting. It's all over at midnight. It's midnight. This closet door is open. The window is open. The light is on. The outdoors light is on. So is midnight. See the trees. Hold on to get close. He needs to clean it. He needs to clean it. It's leaking. It's leaking. That's why. Because it's midnight. This is bad. So I'm tired. I just want to get some rest. Leaky. So we need to fix it. It's really bad. Not good at all. I'm not recording this. I am not recording this at all. If something's wrong with it. You know what? The camera doesn't see it really well. So, the camera doesn't see it really well. So, isn't that right, Miss Kitty? Isn't that right, Miss Tabby Kitty? Alright, let's fix it. Meow meow.
Those tabs on your hands are full. The 2017 Kia Optima comes with available smart trunk technology.
You're trying to fix it. Go to sleep, Miss Tabby Kitty. You can see here. The camera doesn't see really well. So the camera doesn't see really well. The camera doesn't see really well. All over the camera. I'm just recording. Just holding the record. Everybody go to sleep, go to sleep. Something's wrong with it? Oh no. The giraffe's tail. Rescue it. Get the pinchers. The camera doesn't see me well. So he's trying to fix it. Okay. Make sure you subscribe if you love me. So subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and drop me out down below.